So the title of this video is Assembly Instructions for the Z-Axis Sanitary Pump Head, and I'm just going to go over the installation and also the disassembly of this. It's important to follow these steps in the sequence, and as well as our documented procedure on the pump head assembly VMP for the V3 SAN. So we have our main pump body, we have our top compression screw, our pump body plate, we have our piston and liner set, we have a couple of O-ring gaskets, we have 2 lip seals, a head seal, a gland washer, 4 M4 screws. We have 2 gauge compression swage lock fittings for reference, as well as the few tools we need. One is a lip seal insertion tool. This is a storage rod for the lip seals, just shown as reference. We have a 3mm Allen key. Z-Axis does recommend a torque specification, which I will note when we install the M4 screws. We have a torque wrench and an open end wrench, and we'll be able to assemble the sanitary pump head as well as disassemble. So let's get started. We're going to take the compression screw, install a gasket. We're going to install a head seal. Pump body plate, we will also install the O-ring. Followed by installing the cap screw into the pump body. Next, we will insert the ceramic liner with the ports down towards the ports of the pump body, and we're going to assure that we don't have this or this clocking. We're able to see through. We can use our cap screw also to adjust that position. So we're going to center that. We're going to then use one of the port seal bushings to locate that ceramic liner. Next, by installing one of the swage lock compression fittings, hand tight, we'll spin the assembly around, inserting the second bushing, the second swage lock, followed by, we'll put this assembly down for a second, we'll grab the ceramic piston. We're going to need the lip seal tool at this point, and so we will insert the piston through the pump body, the pump plate, Next, installing the gland washer. Next, utilizing the lip seal tool. The lip seal tool protects the lip seals from the sharp edges of the ceramic. Our first seal goes on with the lip facing towards the bottom. The next seal faces inwards towards the pump chamber, also referred to as the outer seal is the atmosphere seal, and the second one is the to keep the dust and fluid inside. Next, we will turn the pump body assembly upside down. We'll remove the lip seal tool. Installing now we have the pump body plate on top of the pump body. Next, we will need to install the M4. Now again, in our instruction sheet, we recommend 2 Newton meters. It requires not a lot of force. We then need to compress everything. So from our compression screw, this is where we're going to use our torque wrench set to 10 foot-pounds. That's the minimum requirement. One click. We now can tighten the swage locks, which will complete the procedure. These are hand tight, and so now they require a quarter turn. We do the same on the opposite side. Just a quarter turn or 90 degrees. And this pump head has been assembled. Now during disassembly, the reverse steps should be followed. So we're going to quickly disassemble and show you how easy this is. We're going to we can remove our swage lock compression fitting. Next, we need to loosen our compression screw. Which relieves the force on our M4 screws on the pump body plate. Our port bushings can be taken out at this point as well. We can, if we'd like, take the compression screw off. Our consumable parts could be thrown away if this was a sanitary, food, pharma application. Your 2 lip seals, your gland washer, as well as your head seal are consumable, designed to be loaded or crushed one time. So there's a short video on the sanitary pump head assembly. If there's any questions or if you'd like more information, please visit our website at www.zaxcisinc.com. Our phone number is 801-264-1000.